Where to be then?
Repairing AC. So what's your
Yeah.
picture of it? Alright.
Well, you do everything.
Yep. House man, car man.
Called it out, told you.
So what was it doing, Mooney?
You got a leak.
I got a leak?
For sure you got a leak. But whatever it is, it might be
So what about how I find my leak?
You gotta put a dye test on it and put it in.
I ain't worried about that.
Nah, you just wanna see. We're gonna put these cans in here. And then see how long it takes to leak out. If it leaks fast, then you gotta fix that problem. If it leaks slow, like a year, shit, you leave that problem alone. So these are problems though. With the rear AC systems in these cars, what is that? Evaporator they have in the back.
Evaporator?
They got an evaporator in the back. And they leak. And you gotta take off. Got to take everything off from that back. Cool it down? Yeah, it's not very cool.
Yeah, it's cooling in the car too.
They got some more to go with.
All right, we're testing it out.
Yeah, that's what it's at.
What that, Mooney?
The back leaking. They got the evaporator back there.
How you know it's leaking? Don't say that, man. You don't know that.
You gonna ask me a question?
That's what leaks on these things.
What's wrong with them? Not 3 against 1. You gonna ask me a question but don't want to hear my answer.
Well, you don't know if it's leaking though. Don't say that though. You don't know.
It's common sense. If you fill a water balloon with water, right?
Yeah.
And the water go out, what happened to it? It evaporate or it leak?
It leaked.
Same thing here. When you fill it up with Freon and it go out, it leak.
It ain't going out though.
Not yet. What it is. Like I said, it can have a slow leak. They have slow leaks. They got slow leaks, so it could take a year. Shit, it could take 2 years.
So what the red one is?
That's the high side. I don't hook it up. It's usually you pop it on there and it'll make it start leaking out the fitting. If it was a new fitting, newer vehicle, I wouldn't worry about it popping on there. But anything that's over a couple of years old, you pop that on there, guarantee it's gonna leak right out. Every once in a while, put them on the high side, but I read my low side. As long as I get up within 60 pounds, you see the fan coming on higher and higher.
Yeah.
That's cooling my condenser.
It's cooling the condenser.
That's when you start to get ice cold inside your vehicle.
Mooney told me he know about cars. I ain't believe him. Huh? Yeah. Mooney said he was the man with the cars.
Got another one?
That's the last one I have right there.
We gonna buy some more.
55, 60 or 55?
Where's that now? 40?
You're on 50, 50. Sometimes you run it with your super outside. Right now, we're just sitting here. We're not getting a lot of air across this, so it should be pretty cool inside.
That back hit yet?
It's starting to get cold now.
Once we start driving, what I'm gonna do?
What you do back here, so you're getting cooler and cooler.
Uh-huh.
But the front's already cold. You're about a can low, maybe. Like I say, these things hold about 4 cans.
Okay.
But like I say, you can't put it in all at once. So drive it a little bit of time. You go get some Freon.
I got it.
All right.
All
Like I say, it's big as that.
But I'm gonna still bring you yours. And then if you don't cool off later on the day, then we'll put the 1 can in.
The man with the plan. Thank you, Mooney. Yeah.